welcome to EPCO. Today we will be talking about for loops. So the way a for loop is defined is it starts with for. Usually you declare your variable here, but it can be any variable declared anywhere. That is your starting point. So int j equals 0. And then your next one is your end. So let's say j less than 5. And then how much you're incrementing each time. Let's go with j plus plus. Plus plus, we'll take whatever the value of j is and add 1 to it. Then let's say we have an int up here, x equals 3, x equals x plus 2. What will happen here? The variable x gets declared, and you go to the for loop. It first checks to see where you start. It creates a variable, j, that starts at 0. So right now, j equals 0. As long as j is less than 5, which it currently is, then at the end you will add 1 and go into this. So x equals x plus 2. So our current value for x was 3, it is now 5. So then you hit the end of the for loop, so you go back to the start and say, alright, so this is kind of where the end gets put on. So now j is equal to 1, and it says is j less than 5. And if it is, which it is, it goes in here. X equals x plus 2. This is now 7. So then 1 gets added to j. So j is 2, and it says, is j less than 5? It sure is. X equals x plus 2. Now this is 9, and 1 gets added to j, so it's 3. Here we have it. Is j less than 5? It sure is. We go in here, same thing. Now x is 11, and j is now 4. Is 4 less than 5? It sure is. We go in here, x becomes 13. That is a 3. And j becomes 5. Is 5 less than 5? No. We skip this and come right down here and continue on with the rest of the code. So for loops, the important thing is you have curly brackets for the code that you want inside the for loop, and you start with your beginning, your middle is your end, and how much you increment by. And that is for loops in a nutshell. I hope that made sense. If this video made sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. If it did not, please comment below why, and I'll try to do my best to explain the answer or make a whole new video to answer your questions. If you'd like to learn more about coding and see when I post more tutorials like this, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. See you guys next time.